Hey everyone, this is Powell Learns to Fish. I'm going to learn how to kayak fish here in Mauritius, and I'm going to work my way up from the lagoon out into the ocean. I don't actually know how to fish here in Mauritius, but with some help from the fishing shops and people on Facebook, I'm going to try to learn how to fish this area. What I did was I went and bought some fishing rods and some swim baits, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to drift here from the boats all the way out to the reef, and I'm going to reset and drift back to the reef, and we're going to see what we can catch. It is wintertime now, and I've been told that in the wintertime the bite isn't so good here, but we'll see what we can catch. Here we go.
Yeah, got him. Oh boy. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Oh, what's a good one? Oh, what's a good one? Oh yes, yes. Nice. All right. Okay. Look at him. Nice. Very nice coloring. Check back in the water. Huh, that's cool. Looks like I got all on camera. Alright, there you go. Oh wow, that's a big needlefish. Holy moly, that's a good one. Oh man. Jesus, that's a good one. Fuck yeah. That is a nice trumpet fish. Back in the water, boy. Oh my god, good one. Oh, we got a good one. Real fish? What is this? Oh, big old needlefish. Got one. Wow. Oh, got him again. What the fuck? Oh, I got another needlefish. Got another needlefish. Another needlefish. Holy fuck. Another needlefish. I'll keep this one in case he wants it.